Hey there, if you're a first-time home buyer, there's one thing that's a must-know. Earnest Money Deposit, also known as EMD, can cost you thousands if you don't understand how they work. Hello, I'm Maria Trujillo with Realty One Group Integrity. Here's the scoop. Your EMD is a good faith deposit that shows the seller that you're serious. It's usually about 1 to 3% of the purchase price, and it gets held in an escrow account once your offer is accepted. If all goes smoothly, it's applied to your down payment or to your closing costs. But if you back out of the contract without the right contingency in place, you could lose that money. That's why it's so important to have an agent who can educate you as to the protections afforded to you in the contract, like your financing, inspection, and appraisal contingency. And most importantly, their timelines to keep your deposits safe. Heads up, escrow won't take Venmo or a debit card. You're going to need to wire transfer or a cashier's check. If you have any questions or you want someone to walk you through the process, I'm here to help. I'm Maria Trujillo with Realty One Group Integrity.